I'm dead, unpacking the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, I'm dead. Don't worry, it's not as grim as it sounds. This phrase is a great example of how English can be playful and figurative. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. First off, let's talk about the literal and figurative meanings. Literally, I'm dead would mean that someone is no longer alive, which is pretty straightforward. However, in everyday English, this phrase is rarely used in its literal sense. Instead, it's used figuratively to express a range of emotions or reactions. One common use of I'm dead is to express an extreme emotion. This could be overwhelming laughter, exhaustion, or even astonishment. For example, if someone tells a hilarious joke, you might say, I'm dead, to indicate that you found it extremely funny. It's like saying the laughter or surprise is so intense that it's metaphorically killing you. Another context where I'm dead is used is to show astonishment or disbelief. Imagine you see something unbelievable or shocking. Saying, I'm dead, in this scenario expresses that you're so surprised that you're metaphorically floored or knocked out by the surprise. It's also important to understand the cultural context. I'm dead is a phrase more common among younger speakers and is prevalent in informal settings. It's often seen in texts, social media, and casual conversations. However, it's not appropriate for formal or serious contexts. You might also hear variations like, I'm dying, or dead. These are used similarly and convey the same sense of exaggeration. For instance, I'm dying of laughter, or just responding with dead to a funny story. And there you have it. The phrase, I'm dead, is a colorful part of English that shows just how playful and expressive the language can be. Remember, context is key, and it's a phrase best used among friends in casual settings. We hope this video helps you understand and maybe even use this phrase in your English conversations. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.